The online streaming platforms Netflix and Prime Video reclaimed their leading positions in original content commissioning in Q1 2024. This resurgence comes after a period where their dominance was contested by the emergence of studio-backed subscription video on demand, that is SVOD platforms. All it seems, Netflix and Prime Video are making a comeback in the streaming wars. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Netflix commissioned over 200 shows and movies, while Amazon Prime Video commissioned around 140 according to Ampere analysis. This period marked Netflix's most prolific quarter in 3 years and a record for Prime Video. In contrast, other streamers like Disney Plus, Paramount Plus, and Apple TV Plus lagged significantly behind. Both Netflix and Prime Video ramped up their investments in producing high-quality original content, ranging from critically acclaimed series to blockbuster movies. This strategy not only attracted new subscribers but also retained existing ones. Both platforms formed strategic partnerships with prominent creators and production houses, ensuring a steady stream of exclusive content. Additionally, they acquired rights to popular IPs, boosting their libraries with fan-favorite titles. Indian viewers now have access to a wider variety of content, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. The focus on international content means more regional and culturally relevant stories are available, enhancing the viewing experience. The extensive content libraries of Netflix and Amazon pose a challenge for local players like Jio, Hotstar, and others, pushing them to enhance their content offerings and innovate. All this is possible by leveraging advanced algorithms and AI. Netflix and Prime Video enhanced their content recommendation systems, ensuring that viewers could easily discover shows and movies that matched their interests, thereby increasing viewer engagement. A report says continuous improvements in user interface and streaming quality, coupled with features like offline viewing and personalized profiles, make Netflix and Prime Video the go-to platforms for a seamless viewing experience. In summary, their success serves as a testament to the power of high-quality original content and a strong global presence in the streaming industry. Let's look into today's headlines. Amazon and Microsoft to bring Xbox cloud gaming to Fire TV sticks. Amazon has announced a partnership with Microsoft to integrate the Xbox cloud gaming service with Fire TV devices. From July, users of Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max and Fire TV Stick 4K will be able to access popular video game titles such as Starfield, Fallout 4 and Forza Horizon 5 through an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, which will be priced at Rs 549 per month in India. Apple AirPods with camera to enter mass production in 2026. Since its inception, the core design of Apple AirPods had remained intact over the years. However, now the next generation AirPods featuring a camera will enter mass production in 2026. This will help Apple to integrate with the Vision Pro and upcoming spatial computers, possibly with a design change. The next AirPods is said to feature camera hardware similar to the Face ID receiver setup. ZTE Telecom to manufacture Wi-Fi 6 routers in Tirupati. Chinese manufacturer major ZTE Telecom will manufacture Wi-Fi 6 routers in Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. The company has signed an agreement with Celcon Resolute to manufacture the routers at an upcoming facility at the Tirupati Electronics Manufacturing Cluster. The Andhra Pradesh facility is currently under construction and is expected to be operational by August 2024. The duo will manufacture 2 lakh routers a month initially. India ranks 10th in private investment in AI and US tops the 10 top league. According to data from Bond Capital, India has ranked 10th in private investment into artificial intelligence at $1.4 billion. The US has topped the league with investments over $67 billion. China is a distant second at investments of nearly $8 billion, trailed by the UK at almost $4 billion. The data comes at a time when the government's thrust is on AI with initiatives such as the India AI Mission and Global India AI Summit. NEET UG 2024 retest results declared online. The National Testing Agency, that is NTA, has declared the NEET UG re-exam results, which are now hosted on exams.nta.ac.in. The re-exam was conducted for 1,563 affected candidates on June 23rd. The Medical Counselling Committee is likely to begin the counselling process. The CBI is currently probing the alleged irregularities in the conduct of NEET UG exam and has arrested several key people in connection with the case. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.